The greatest moments of your life are born in crisis. During the pandemic, I was given the time, the chance, the wonderful opportunity na mag-coach ng mga gusto magsulat ng libro. And kasi nasa bahay din sila, they had the time. And ang bilis nila, sulat, talaga sulat. And you know what? I discovered that these people were able to write not because of my brilliance in coaching, not because of the pandemic, they had time. Yeah, partly these could have contributed. They were able to write because experienced dark moments, but they held on to God. And God held on to them. And they were able to overcome it. One of the authors, our sister here, lost her beloved daughter. It was a very dark moment. It was a very painful stage of her life. She described it in her book as the valley of the hour of death. It's really dark. It was this painful moment. But every single day, she held on. She kept writing her thoughts, her feelings to God, praying. She took it one day at a time. And you know what? That is the very cornerstone of this beautiful book, FYFM, The Pilgrim's Gospel. And this is very beautiful. She talked about other things like the origin of her name. It's a cute little silly but also very beautiful story. And many other things. And she is part of the morning, the MOU, the morning ministry. And she's helping a lot of people who are mourning, who are grieving. And isipin mo kung hindi niya naranasan yun, then she gave this gift to the Lord. Hindi. Diba? This beautiful gift started in that painful experience that she had. Yeah? So I don't know about you, maybe you're experiencing something difficult right now. Maybe not as tragic as that. But paminsan-minsan, hindi man madalas may pinagdadaanan. Yes? Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, huwag kang bumitaw. Just hold on to that. Because God is holding on to you. Eh, pag ikaw bibitaw, di ba? Again, that's your decision. So you have to decide to hold on to God because God is holding on to you. And through that valley, one day, malalagpasan mo yan. Amen? Tapos pag andun ka na, when you've overcome, tingin ka sa likod, makikita mo may ibang andun pa. And you know what? You share your story. Or better yet, you share the story of God in your life. You will minister to them.